UDG Healthcare, the international healthcare services supplier, posted a rise in annual profit today on the back of less one-off charges and margin improvements. The FTSE 250 firm also said its earnings per share rose 7% in the company's year-end results, at the top end of its previous guidance.Read more. Compass Group shares sink as business catering unit is undercooked. The figuresUDG said that pre-tax profit for the year through September jumped to $74.3 million, up from $8.4 million on year, even as revenue fell 1% to $1.30 billion. Ashfield, the company's healthcare advisory and communications service, generated net revenue of $753.9 million and adjusted operating profit of $108.4 million, 2% and 10% ahead of the prior year respectively. Sharp, which handles packaging, delivered a good performance during the year, generating revenue of $360.3 million and adjusted operating profit of $50.0 meters, 16% and 9% ahead of the same period last year respectively. The company declared a full-year dividend of 16.8c per share, up 5% on year.Why. It's interesting the company also used the results to announce the acquisition of Canale Communications, a US-based scientific strategic communications agency, for up to $31 million. The purchase takes total amount committed to acquisitions during 2019 to $137 million. In May, the company acquired Putnam Associates and Incisive Health as UDG continues its expansion into higher growth areas. Analysts at Davy's welcomed the results, saying, UDG has reported a strong set of full year 2019 results at the top end of earnings per share guidance, with both Ashfield and Sharp delivering ahead of expectations. Read more. FTSE 250 hits highest level in 15 months as conservatives maintain poll lead. Cash flow was also exceptionally strong, in part due to better cash management. What UDG said commenting on the performance, Chief Executive Officer, Brendan McAtamney said, 2019 was another year of strong strategic progress for UDG Healthcare. We delivered good financial growth with adjusted earnings per share increasing by 7% on a constant currency basis, the top end of guidance. Our two global platforms, Ashfield and Sharp, delivered a strong performance through a combination of underlying growth and the benefit of acquisitions. Looking ahead to 2020, we expect to continue to deliver good growth across our businesses, supplemented by further strategic acquisitions utilizing our strong balance sheet. For more on this story, visit the news article link.